get started, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit that 100,000 subscribers. Okay, I had to cut it short. The wind was blowing a little too hard and you guys couldn't hear me, so I did a voiceover. But what I was going to tell you guys, if you watch my channel, I travel a lot, and I'm gonna get my wife to start traveling with me, but I want to bring her car with us. So I seen U-Haul and I went by and talked to the guy, and he said he has a car hauler right there outside, and I'm gonna show you all the information on it. And I was thinking about buying one for, it's around $5,000 to $7,000, but you can rent these for about maybe 60, maybe less than that a day. So I can get this for like 2 or 3 days, and you can drive it from Houston to New Mexico or from East Coast to West Coast, and you can pick it up from Houston and drop it off at New Mexico. That's $150. But I'm gonna walk around this and just show you what it looks like. So if you don't want to invest a lot of money in buying one of these, especially if you're not going to use it a lot, it's probably best to just go to U-Haul and rent one of these things and put your vehicle on it. I can tow my wife's car on it, but I measured all the dimensions and everything fits really good. And if you look at this, it got all the instructions you need to do this. If you never put one of these on or never told anything, in probably another week or two, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna pull the car up on it and I'm gonna install it, and we're gonna get on the road, me and my wife, and head from Houston to New Mexico. But if you could see, I'm walking around just showing you how this is. You can slide the sliders out and drive the car right on it, or the truck. And if you look at it, I'm gonna look at here in the front. I'm gonna just show you a few things here on the front. You got your hook, and you got emergency braking on there also. You could jack this thing up just by turning it left or right. And you also have your connector right here. This is the type of connector this one has on it from U-Haul. So it just plugs right in. And you also have your hooks you want to hook on there. In case it falls off, it'll pull the emergency brakes on the trailer. And it's really easy to hook on your ball. You just raise it up and let it down. It snaps into place. It's that simple. And I'm pretty sure if you go rent one of these, they'll walk you through on how to plug it in and how to use it. But like I said, in a couple of weeks, I'm going to go through the process and pull my wife's car on it, and we're going to ratchet everything down, and we're going to hit the road. It's like a 10-hour drive, but we're going to be, so when we get to the destination while I'm working, she can get in her car and just go and roam the streets and go shopping a little bit, so I don't want to just have her ride with me in my truck, and when I get her to the location, she don't have no way to get around. So you see these hooks, you could put those on. That's in case if something fall off, it'll pull the emergency brakes. And it show you how to tie this stuff down. You got instructions all over the place. You see right there. And you can pause this video if you want to read some of it. And I'm gonna walk around the other side and just show you where the other instructions are. You see right there, if you want to pause it and zoom in, you got instructions right there. And this is on the trailer. And it also tells you how much the trailer weigh right there. You see the trailer weight, 2190 pounds, 5310 pounds with cargo weight. So it gives you the weight of this trailer. So you can add the weight of the trailer plus the weight of the vehicle you're putting on to determine how much towing weight that you will have. And that's really it. So subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get that 100,000 subscribers, and watch the next video. After measuring my Tundra, it's about 6 inches too wide. But I'm going to try it anyway. So watch the next video. You'll see me trying to pull my Tundra on, and I'll show you how much space I got. But I don't think it's going to fit. So we're going to put my wife's car on there and go on about our business. All right. Have a great day.